DJB. I continuously getting all these Denon products recently, and I always say I do not like working on Denon. I'm hoping this one is a little better, so we're also going to kind of review this. This is a Prime 4 Plus. Just from looking at it, I see how these sections are separate, right? You see the screws and the panels separate, meaning it's not like the older model that the whole thing is one piece. You got to take everything out, right? So this seems to be a little better. Anyway, for this particular unit, we're going to be working on this USB. You see the USB? It's broken. Right in the middle, it's missing a piece. So we're going to be taking this out, and we're going to order a whole new piece to replace it, and then we should be back on the road. So before we begin, we're going to turn it on. We want to make sure everything is working. The screen, everything comes up. That way, if there's any additional repairs, we want to make sure we are aware of any additional problems. But so far, everything looks good. Yep, looks clean. I don't see any issues. Okay. Yep, everything's coming up. All of the screens are working. So yeah, looks good. Yep, touch screen is working. Yep. So yeah, I don't see everything is nice and clean. So okay, let's go ahead and power it off. Yes, turn off. Okay, let's begin. We're just gonna flip it over and start removing the screws. So yeah, we gotta get these screws out here. So, like I said, Denon always do something crazy. You can never keep it simple. As you can see, these were all tied into the front, so they had to be removed in order to get this out. We're gonna put this to the side, and we want to loosen this up. See there? So, okay, got it. Whew. As you can see, big pain in the butt. Everything else out. So we're gonna start removing these screws back here. 1, 2. Okay, gonna keep them right in the middle. It's kind of loose. Now 2 more right here. There's a nut, so we're gonna keep it together. Right there, and 1 more here. Also, this disconnects right here, and I'm gonna mark this white. Okay, so we're gonna start right here. Wi-Fi. Pull this little tab and get this out. Unplug this. Next, we're gonna unplug this. There we go. And we have another one here. Tab needs to be lifted up. And that comes right out. And 2 more plugs here. So we gotta make sure we do them right. So I'm gonna unplug one of them. I unplugged the first one, and I'm just gonna mark it. I'll put a red and also red. That's how we know. Unplug the second one and third one. Okay. And this is great that I'm doing it on video, so I have reference. Another one. And keep that down. Okay, we're gonna leave it alone. Now we're gonna focus on our port right there in the middle. See that? Just one of those standard ones. Nah, nothing major. So we're gonna go ahead and desolder it. Okay, port has been removed, the area has been cleaned, and right now I'm just gonna brush it off a little. Okay, new part just arrived. I got a few, that way it's good to have extras. First thing we're gonna do is compare with existing one. Man, almost identical. The pins is what we really care about. Yep. Okay, I think we got a good match. Now let's get this in there. Make sure the pins lined up perfectly. Yep, that was a perfect fit. Oh yes. Let's flip it. Everything sticks out perfectly. Okay. Now it's just soldering time. So, kind of off camera, I finished the rest of the connection. There's a tab right here you have to pull. Earlier you got disconnected, but you have to pull the little tab, shove it in, and then get it in. So, I got everything all set, but I tell you, this was very time consuming just to get this part done. Not easy at all, you know what I mean? So, while you're in, so we got to make sure we slide that in first. Hold on, let me press it again. There we go. Power's on. It's going. Okay, so we are going to get Serato. So I'm going to go to settings, and what I have to do is change source. Oops, yep. And now we're going to go to laptop. Yep. That's how we connect to the laptop. So it's switching to the computer mode. Okay, computer mode.